Hello and welcome to Glue. Today on our virtual tour, we will show you a dedicated space for workshops. The name workshop speaks for itself. This space is designed to be a blank canvas for you to create any virtual workshop or expo experience. The space has 2 floors with the main hall in the center where you can import 3D models of various sizes. You have plenty of space to build a multi-stage training scenario such as product training or employee onboarding. This use case has gained popularity among Glue users. And the space is big enough to be used also for hosting expos or other larger events. Workshop space is true multi-purpose asset for your company. Utilizing both 2D and 3D content, you have ability to create one-of-a-kind storyline and spatial flow across the multiple floors and the central area of the space. This will make your virtual experience stand out. Thanks for joining our virtual tour and see you in Glue Spaces.